Your worn out or broken console door hinges can happen over the years of use. When it does, you'll begin to see alignment issues and even have trouble opening and closing your console door. Hey, Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 through 72 Chevelle and El Camino and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo center console door hinges. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. The door hinges are manufactured from stamped stainless steel to perfection. They feature all the correct mounting holes to fit your OEM or Resto Parts reproduction console door and base. We also feature the factory correct tension spring that will add a familiar feel when using your hinge. At the end of the production, we finish all of our hinges with a beautiful mirror-like polish that is sure to last for many years of operation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.